This is how you can remove apps from folders on iPhone. So step one is to locate the folder on your home screen. So for me, it is this one. It's called Favs, right? Favorites, right? And I have a couple of apps in there. So if I want to take those apps out, I have to open up the folder at first. Let's say I'm going to start with a Gmail. I'm going to hold down on it. And I'm going to just grab it like this so we can move it around, right? So of course we can reorganize it within the folder, but if we want to take it out, I'm going to take it out of the folder like this. This should be minimized, right? Like that. And you can see that I come back to the home screen with the little tab and I took the app out of it. I can do the same thing with the other app. I'm going to take YouTube this time, right? I'm still holding it. We went up. And now the YouTube app is out of the folder. So you can see you can either hold the app over the area outside of the folder so we can go there, or even simpler would be to just grab the app I'm holding in like this, and with the other finger I'm going to tap outside of the folder so we can leave it like this, and we can take the app out. And of course, since we took all of the apps and removed all three of these, then the folder cannot really exist alone or empty, so we don't have the folder anymore. You can just swipe up like this to hit done, and that's essentially it. Let me know if it worked for you. Definitely subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you later.